Hello teacher, today I'm gonna show and do a little presentation about this project called GenAI. So this project is based on what we have been learned this whole semester related to databases. So as you can see, first of all I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I have been doing in this project. So okay, so first of all, I create the database based on the specifications of what you say. So I create three tables like for a pet clinic. In this case is like owners, pets, appointments, each one with their respective fields. Also after that, I create 20 registers for each one of the table I had. All of these registers I create with the help of AI. So each table that I create also gonna be a class, and in this case I'm gonna use a Java project. So now let's move on and let's show you a little bit about this project. So I create the three classes in this case. In this case I have the main class, which I'm gonna call the main UI, and the database, which is gonna be the connection between my project, which is my this project, and the databases, which in this case I am using MySQL Workbench. And finally, this is the GUI that I create with the help of AI. Also, something to recall is that AI doesn't help you, like doesn't do all the jobs, so you have to refactor. Sometimes it has certain problems, doesn't call the class correctly, so AI is not 100% efficient, so you have to sometimes put hands on it and debug by yourself. So now let's run this project and let's see what's going on. So I have to run this from my class main, and let's start. So as you can see, here's a little pop-up saying the connection got successfully, and here are the registers. I'm gonna process to show you a little bit about GUI, my GUI CRUD. Now let's select all exactly, and let's run this command. Select from okay, so here I have all the registers. In this case I have pets, so let's start with pets, and as you can see are the same registers. Now let's start with adding a new max type pool breed pure age, and now let's add. So here's max, and here I should be able to see. As you can see, it's working. Now let's edit. In this case I'm gonna put instead of book, gonna be and then edit. So here got edit already, and now let's refresh this, and as you can see it got edit. And finally let's delete and let's run it. Okay, as you can see, my CRUD got working, and the same point for appointments. So here, as you can see, is the same process. Let's appoint. Okay, we have 20 registers, so everything is correct. And now let's move on owners, and let's go owners. We have 20 registers and we have 20 registers. Yep. So finally, I gonna talk about like the AI generative. So the AI generative helps you in a lot of ways, especially like a copilot, which can help you to improve your code. It could be based on databases, so in this case help me to create certain parts of the code and help me to give you certain directions. And finally, as you can see, we have a program that is working and showing up the CRUD functions. So this is the main project. So thank you so much.